The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a tornado warning for central Barron County in northwestern Wisconsin, east central Polk County in northwestern Wisconsin, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles east of Balsam Lake, or 26 miles west of Rice Lake, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and golf ball size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Turtle Lake around 5:35 p.m. Allen around 5:45 p.m. Barron around 5:55 p.m. Rice Lake and Cameron around 6 p.m. Shutek around 6:05 p.m. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Tornado watch.